Sights, back with another video today. I apologize for not getting a video up last week. I was really sick. I don't know what I had. I did not have COVID. I'm very fortunate that I did not catch that sickness. But we're on our way out to a bushwhack adventure. It is a backwoods waterfall that is pretty much unnamed, that I have had on my list for quite a long time. I went and I bought myself a machete from Walmart just in case I need to hack through anything. So stay tuned, guys. We're on our way there right now. We will be there soon enough. Well, looks like we have made it safely in one piece to the unofficial trail down to the water, and then from there I have to figure out a place to cross the water. It is gonna be quite the adventure, so you guys better stay tuned and enjoy this just as much as I'm going to enjoy it. It's a pretty steep trail right here, so gotta take my time. Oh yeah. Well, that wasn't so bad so far. Now the next obstacle is going to be this water right here. I'm gonna have to find a way to cross it. Either I'm gonna build a bridge with rocks and sticks, or I'm gonna have to get a little wet today. Yeah, so that stick did not work at all as planned, and it is currently flowing down the river. I underestimated the power and force of this river right now. I just need to find a spot where it's not as deep. I am walking on mossy rocks right now. Luckily they're not slippery. That is a huge plus, because usually moss is really slippery. Oh, we got a waterfall right here, guys. Oh, nice. Look at that. Let's check that out right here real quick. Okay, so I believe right here would be the best place to cross. The current is a lot less than down here and up there. Alright guys, let's get wet. I am pretty much all the way through the river. Ugh. Wow, that is cold. Woo-hoo. Oh. Oh. You made it to the other side. Yeah. Wow. I believe I see the main waterfall in sight right now. I am coming up on it. It is a little bit more up the way. We're almost there. Oh, this is crazy. Woo. We got about another bend. I gotta go around another bend, and my machete is caught on a tree. We are going to get some cinematic shots of this beauty. Oh. It's the saddest part of the day, everybody. I have to get out of here. I gotta go home. I don't want to leave. I've been here for like 4 hours just staring at that waterfall, relaxing. I ate some food, drank some water, took a lot of pictures. Those pictures actually will be in my description on my Instagram. I will have that link for you guys so you can go and check those out as well. But if you like the video, hit the like button. That would be fantastic. And it is your choice like usual. But you can also subscribe. That helps out the channel. It helps me grow. I would greatly appreciate it. Either way, you know, I hope you guys just enjoy watching my content. So I'll see you next time. I'll see you all in the next video. Hike on!